We're going? Hey guys, so bad news. This video is actually a memorial for Ryan. As you guys know, he was kind of an integral part of this channel, and he's passed on. And his dying wish was that, well, I'll just let him tell you guys. We'll watch this video. Hey guys, if you're seeing this, I'm dead. I've passed on. I wanted to make this video to kind of shoot a last goodbye and a really important request. I just wanted Fireplace, Isaac, Amelia, Alec, you guys to make one last video with me in it. You guys know what I love more than anything? Mukbang. When I see someone gorge and fill their stomachs to bursting, it brings a smile to my face. So I want you guys to do a mukbang video. And the best part is I've already prepared the food. You're gonna be eating me. I've had specific parts, ground up, turned into tasty taco meat. A little bit of cheese and lettuce wrapped in a supple tortilla. And I want you to enjoy it. A little mukbang. Because I'm going out with a bang. Love you guys. So yeah, it's really sick. It's a sick thing to do. It's a twisted thing to do to your friends and family. But that's who Ryan was. And we're gonna honor his wishes by doing a little mukbang to remember him. So he is the ground meat in these tacos, and he will live with us forever until we pass him. So if you guys just want to grab a taco. This is for you, Ryan. I'll never forget you.
He's good.
It's really good.
Just miss him so much.
Can you eat that?
It's really good. He really loved tacos.
You can taste that. A little bit.
You can taste his love for each of us. He would have liked this. I feel like he's smiling at us down in hell. You want the rest? Yeah. So anyways, thanks for liking and commenting and subscribing. Thanks for watching. Peace and love. We'll see you.